Hey guys, Dr. Will from Miami Spinal Performance. If you're somebody that gets a lot of neck tension, specifically up by the base of your head or down in your shoulders, this is a great video for you. A lot of times before I do adjustments on the neck, especially with somebody who carries a lot of stress up in their neck and their shoulders, which is a lot of us, I like to use active release technique to stretch out all the muscles, make sure that the traps feel good, make sure that the muscles in the neck feel good before I do the adjustment. It makes for a much more comfortable adjustment and also allows me to get everything that I want out of the adjustment. So we're just going to start with the upper trap. This is just a simple active release pin and stretch technique. And what we're trying to do here is we're just trying to get rid of any little knots in the trap, anything that could be causing headaches, anything that could be causing neck tightness. Just got a little spot right there. We're just going to keep some pressure on it. Just move the neck. A lot of times it's hard to try to stretch your way out of these problems because if you do have a trigger point or you have a little knot in your neck and then you try to stretch it, the neck's going to be very aversive to the stretching. Like when you go to stretch, it's just going to feel uncomfortable. It's going to feel jammed up. So this is a good way to kind of get the best of both worlds. You get some stretching and you get some trigger point release. This side doesn't feel too bad. And again, part of this is to help, make sure she gets the most out of the adjustment. As we come up into the neck, most people, I would say 90% of people, carry a lot of tension right below the base of the skull, right? Whether you're someone that gets headaches or not, everybody's got some tension in here because we're sitting at the computer, we're on our phone, maybe it's the position we're sitting in or sleeping in. A lot of people carry stress here. So it's really important that we take some time to release and open up the muscles in the bottom of the skull. This is going to help with posture. It's going to prevent you from having a forward head position by lengthening these muscles. So we're just giving a little stretch here. For you anatomy nerds, this is rectus capitis that we're releasing. Yep, or future students of healthcare. Good. Again, this is an active release technique. ART is my go-to tool for soft tissue work, as you guys know. So if you're not here based in South Florida and you're looking to find a good chiropractor, one of the first things that you should probably look for is someone that's certified in ART. She's got a little trigger point here, so we're just going to keep some pressure on here. It's not always fun at the beginning, but it's fun once you leave and your neck pain is gone.
Magic.
You heard it here first. Now we're going to kind of work our way down the neck and just release pressure. People's necks are generally really, really compressed, right? That's why all of you guys out there love to get on TikTok and watch those Y-strap ring dinger videos, watch people get their neck pulled, because everybody feels a little bit of compression in their neck. So you can definitely resonate with having your neck decompressed. The right side's a little sticky there. And all it takes really is, you could sleep on the wrong pillow, you could fall asleep on the couch and with your neck in a weird position, and then your body will kind of lay these trigger points down. So it's all about just finding them and just applying some gentle pressure and releasing. Yeah, the whole right side there is a little sticky.
Yep.
So here we're just doing some trigger point release. I'm just finding some trigger points in her neck. I'm applying just a little bit of pressure, mostly letting gravity do the work, and releasing them. This way, when we go to do the adjustment, her neck's going to be nice and loose, and I can make sure that everything that needs to be adjusted gets adjusted. Okay, we're going to do the left side here. Nice.
Wow.
And we'll do the right side. I think we're going to go a little higher. Sweet. Okay, we're going to finish up with the Y-strap, of course.
That's my favorite.
Go ahead and lift your head up for me. Bring it down. So after the adjustment and soft tissue work, this is a really good way to just decompress the spine. This is generally like a patient favorite. Just gonna pressure on, pressure off. So that, between these three things, between the active release technique, the adjustment, and the decompression, usually people's necks feel much, much better. They feel much looser. And then of course it's up to you to do your exercises, do your homework, eat healthy, sleep well, and make sure that your joints stay happy in between chiropractic